cause that be natural.
Lady
I ain't
D.
looking tacky. I keep my game tactful.
Yo,
yeah, I'm so nappy.
M.O.B.
Cause that be
The
natural. I
infamous.
ain't looking tacky cause I keep my game tactful.
I'm so pretty, I'm so fat, boo. I'm so natural, it's like it's a taboo. I'm so filthy, got the tattoo stuck in these bitches like I own ragu. On my business with my platoon, getting these minutes like I'm a typhoon. Y'all this jersey on that cartoon, and I'm still on top. Y'all, where I reside in my tiny home. So just hang on. Y'all can see me good. Which is what I call a Tipi. So we're about to go inside. I'm standing at the entrance, so I'm about to show you guys around. Let me see. I am stepping in. This is the entrance. I have a fan up there, some rugs down. I come out here and do yoga. So this is our wood burning stove for when it's cold. This is my side, and as you can see, I have a bed. I have some storage underneath the bed. Right here you see our makeshift closet, which is just a clothing rack, so if we need to hang up some clothes for storage, and also have shelves. Right here would be the little dining area. You know, you can sit here. It can also serve as a living area, like a little den. All right, y'all see Robin, she's on her side, and she has storage area, a storage space underneath the bed as well. So right here we have our water, our drinking water, and you just press the little thing and you can fill up your cup. We have a refrigerator. Now these are what you would call solar powered. My solar panel will charge this. It's windy, y'all, but we have some food in here. Now every day I have to definitely come turn this on if I want to preserve food in there. We have a dish rack. This is our kitchen area. We have cabinets. We have a cooking area. We do have a gas hot plate as well as a electric hot plate. Right here you see my solar panel. I'll sit this out to charge. Underneath we have our electronic station and our garage for my e-scooter. This is our sink. Let me take this out. We have a washing side and a rinsing side. We have a trash can, and then more storage space for canned goods and food. So we really have to keep it clean in here. And as you can see, I am standing on these mats. This is for like a gym floor, but I decided to put it in here because it feels so good to my feet and knees and everything like that. Now under here I have my water pump for when I need to pump out water, and I'll show you in just a second. This is the bathroom. So we have a toilet, a portable toilet, a sink with running water. We just fill the water up below and we pump it to wash our hands, brush our teeth, wash our face, and it transfers into this gray water tank right here. This is where we keep our toothbrushes or whatever we need to haul. And we actually built this little bathroom. We have lights in here. These are our battery operated lights. This is our bathroom caddy. This tape isn't supposed to be here, but anyway, we have a 30-gallon water tank in here. We fill this up. We have dirty clothes. As you can see, it says laundry on the side. We have a portable shower. All we have to do is fill up this bucket with water. This is a 5-gallon bucket and it's collapsible. This is a solar power shower, or what you would consider a solar power shower. So we can just charge it up once it gets low on our solar panel. And with the water, we can actually pump water from here. Just pump it here out of this 30-gallon, fill up the bucket, and then we have a portable hot water heater that we can heat the water up with. It takes about 20 minutes to do so, 20 to 30 minutes to heat up the 30 pounds. And this is our portable bathtub. So once we shower, the water of course gets into the tub and we'll have to pump it out. And that's what I was showing you guys in the little closet area, that we use a water pump to pump the water out. This is the complete bathroom. We just put shower curtains all the way around for their privacy and made some makeshift floors in here. And for the toilet, we have some wait, let me see. I gotta see the name of this stuff. Biogel powder. And this to turn the pee into a gel. And we can poop in here and everything like that. We just have to actually physically take it out ourselves. As you can see, this is a bucket. And I have some more powder here. And I basically just use trash bags for the toilet. We have some wipes in here, disinfectant wipes to keep the toilet clean. And our toilet tissue roll. So yeah, we use Velcro to close this actual shower or bathroom area. And also, once our gray water tank gets full, we'll dump that out and refill the sink water here. And we can either use this 30-gallon water tank back here to fill this up, and we also have water stored in the back trunk. She can put whatever she wants in here. We have a couple sleeping bags. I have my yoga mat laying across the top, but she can put clothes in here, blankets in here, whatever she wants to put in there to preserve room. We have a fan here and a mini washing machine. I'm waiting to get a dryer. Right here we have a cot for if we have a guest that wants to spend the night. Back here we have some solar panel stuff that my husband is really into. He is trying to figure that out. And then our laundry supplies. But yeah, this washer will be considered solar capable as well because it doesn't pull that much energy. Now here we have our water storage. We just have extra water on deck. And over here is my trunk that I have stuff that I need, like some extra towels and things like that. And going all the way around the Tipi, we have some solar LED string lights. They come on as soon as it starts to get dark. So we'll show you guys what it looks like in here when it's dark. Now all throughout we have these battery operated lights, and then up here we have a solar light if we need to use that one at the very top. Yeah, and this is our power station. Once we charge up this solar panel, it'll charge up our power station, and we can charge our phones, you know, run the washing machine, the refrigerator. I also have my e-scooter that charges from here. That's why I call this the power station and the garage. We also have a fire extinguisher back there and everything like that. So in upcoming videos, you guys will see how we get down out here. This is just like a oasis or something like that. We'll see what we do out here and things like that. But it's so windy today. My little wood burning stove the pipe is falling over, so I have to go out here and fix this. And we have a little bit of wood, but in our little living area we have a trunk here as well. We have this blanket over it because this is raw wood that is made out of, and it usually will scratch us up. But we keep like dishes and stuff in here. These are the oven gloves. We got bowls and cups and spoons and forks and all of that, cooking utensils. I think we got some chopsticks and stuff in here. So yeah, I just wanted to show you guys that too. And as you can see, some pots are in here as well. So yeah, I forgot about this part. How we survived through the winter storm. Our pipes were frozen and everything like that, so we were able to come out here and get water and things of that nature and use the bathroom. Also, you know, like I said, we have a power station, so we were able to still have some electricity. So this would be a good backup for, you know, emergency situations, for people who want to get off the grid, for people who need a alternative method for living or whatever like that. You know, this was quite an investment for us, and I really like it. So yeah guys, let me go out here and show you my mode of conveyance. My e-scooter. This can pull me and Robin, or me and my husband at the same time, with, you know, a little more groceries or baggage or whatever like that. So this is what I use to get around. And so that's what you saw me on earlier. It's my little porch area. You see I have a rug here to wipe our feet off, but grass steady comes in. Right here we have the little solar panel for these string lights that I showed you guys that come on when it gets dark. And these are my plants I'm trying to grow, but this wind is taking a toll on my aloe vera. But we have to nurse her back to health. It's a bit chilly out here, but I just wanted to show you guys our tiny home. We're gonna do some cleaning on it soon and waterproofing again. But until next time, guys, thank you so much for stopping by. We really appreciate your time and energy. We look forward to seeing you guys on the next video. Peace and love. And as always,
DJ Mike C on the track.
Cause that be natural.
Lady D.
Ain't looking tacky. I keep my game tactful.
Yo,
Yeah, I'm so nappy.
M.O.B.
Cause that be natural.
The information.